Hello friends, how are you? I hope you will be well friends. So friends, in this video, today we will solve the GFG problem. Delete node having a greater value on the right. It means which one value it will be greater in the right side, and we should be deleted, and we will return the after deletion value remain, right? Question is telling given a singly linked list. Already has told the question is clear, the already given here the link singly linked list, and remove all the nodes in the list which have any nodes on their the right whose is a greater, not just the immediate right, but entire the list of on the right. So let's get start friends, we will solve this on the problem. So you can see here the uh, 12, 15, 10, and after the output it will be 15, 6, 15, 11, 6, 3, right? How it can be possible friends? Because friends, okay, let's get start, and we will I'm going to the draw the in the, and you will be easily to understand where what is the matter is going to on. Okay, so you can see here I have taken some demos for you for better explanation, right? So you can see here I have taken already the simple test cases. So you can see here the friends, here we will go the from the left to right, right? So those one value it will be greater, right? You can see here first you will be move here, so this one is a value greater, so this one it will be removed, right? Again you will be move here, so you can see here the this one value is not greater than this, right? So it will be keep. Again your node you'll be check this one value, so you can see here that this one value has find out the greater than this value, current value, right? So you will remove this. Again we will move the next element, so you can see here the this one value is a lesser than this value. Okay, so we will keep it, right? But again your node it will be moved to check again next value, so you can see here that this one is the lesser value, so remove it, right? Again you will be moved from the this to next element, so you can see here the this one is the lesser, right? And this one is the greater, it will be keep, right? And again you will be move here the, so you can see here the this one is the greater than value this, right? So it will be not. You can see here the each and every value in the left side should not be the lesser, right? You can see here the this one is a greater than this one, so we will cross this, right? And you can see here the this one is the greater than this, so this one it will be not present. And you can see here the also this one is the lesser, so this one it will be not present. And you can see here that this one is also, right? So what will remain? 15, right? And 11 and 6 and 3. You can check here the all the answers same, right? Okay, so I have another uh, I have another examples. Okay, how can your approach? Because when we will go from the left to right, right, left to right, so it will be time complexity. It will be order of n square, right? Because we need to do at a time two for loops, because one we will keep the one value in a temp, and this one value it will be checked, and after the check, again we will perform the next, it will be two for loops required, so there it will be the time complexity, it will be order of n square, right? But you can see here the I have reversed it. 3 here and 2, 6, 5, 11, 10, 15, 12. It means before the solving of the problem, I have reversed it, right? And in this scenario, we will go from the left to right. Left to, sorry, this one is the right side. Okay, it means right to left. Okay, we are going from here to here, right? So you can see here, if any one value, it will be find the greater than current value. It means this is our the current node, right? And we have founded the greater value, so this one it will be remove, and our current node this one. Okay, again we will check the next one value. Okay, so this one is the not greater than this one, so it will keep it, right? Again we will check the next one value, so you can see here the this one is the not greater than this value, so this one it will be removed. Okay, and again you will be go this one, so you can check here this one is the greater value, sorry, this one is the lesser value to current node, so it will be keep it, right? Again we will check the next node, so you can see here the this one is the lesser, so it will be also not. Okay, and again we will move the, okay, so this one is the lesser, you will keep. Okay, but when I find the next one, so this one is the lesser, so it will be also not present. So what is the, whatever the value remain, 3, and here 6, and here 11, and here 15, right? So in this scenario there is no need to the double for loop, because we are directly comparing and order of n timing, order of n, sorry, order of 1, we are deleting the one by one value. Okay, left to right. Okay, and this one is the our the answer, and you can see here the 15, 11, 6, but after return the value we will reverse the. Okay, so it will be answer, it will be 15, 11, 6, 3. I hope you will be understand, friends. But I'm giving you a brief idea to how will we write the code. Okay, before the solving we will reverse it. Okay, we will reverse the our the head. Okay, so we will reverse and we will write the reverse method, so there it will be reverse, and after then we will check the, we will write the while loop, while. Okay, and we will check inside the while our node it is not null, sorry, node node is equals to null. Okay, and also and again second one we will check, and node next, node dot next, node next is equals to, sorry, not is equals to, not is equals to null. It's mean, friends, you know the very well, I'm doing the little bit smaller it. Okay, you know the very well, friends, English is the dead like, right? And is separated with two part. This one is the data part, and you can see also the value part, and this one is the reference part, right? It mean references, it mean I'm going to draw here, there is a no space, right? I'm separating it with, okay. So here is value is what, yes, we am going to write 12. Okay, 15, and 12, 15, and 10, and dot dot, right? So you can see here the friends, here the references of the next node, here the references has a stored of the next node. This one is the linking has linked with the help of in the chain, we can see that, right? So this one node has already information about the next node, and this one node has already information about the next node, right? So that like I'm checking here, right? Here I'm checking here, for example, our node is single, right? And there is I'm, and we will our the checking the our program, its next value it should be the greater or not, right? So here you can see here the I'm writing here the node not is equals to null. It means if our node value it will be null, so so it will be not check here. But if you will be not null, it means not null, it means the some value has presented there, right? And also we will again check it if 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 node dot next, it means this one point, how can we point node dot next, right? This one we can be point to the directly with the node, right? And we want to the point to this node, this the node dot next, so with the help of, right, node dot next, if there it will be also null, right? If there it will be null, it's mean a null, it's mean a what, it mean a null. I'm going to write here for example 12, right? And here is a null, right? Null, it's mean what, it means there is a no anyone next linked list and no anyone presented the nodes, so that's why here the null, right? It means null has defined to no anyone value next one presented, right? I'm I'm guessing it pro video it will be length long, but my motive is to very briefly explanation, that's why. But don't worry, you can be see the with the escapes, right? Now let's get started without wasting time. I hope you will be understand, right? So let's get started. I'm going to writing the program quickly. So I'm going to write in the Java. Okay, so I'm going to writing start. Yes, it's a greater. Okay, I'm going to writing here the program quickly, friends. So I have already told you before the solving we will reverse it. Okay, I'm going to write here the, sorry, head is equals to reverse. Why I'm writing this, friends? Because I want to do before the solving we need to the reverse it, right? So I'm going to the write the reverse method. So node reverse, and I'm passing here the node head, because our the head is coming here. And I'm quickly write the, friends, without taking much time. Next to, and while checking the head, not null, when it is not null, so next is equals to head dot next, and after then head dot next is equals to pre-rv, tick, return the pre, right? Friends, I have written here the uh, our the our linked list, it will be reversed. Okay, I'm going to write here the our the removing the one by one the lesser values. Okay, and you can see here that this one is the lesser than this one value, this one is the lesser than this one. I have already explained. And going to the quickly write the node also head, right? Okay, and because I have already assigned the here the node. Okay, and writing at the while not null, right? I have already told you why I'm writing here null. And again node dot next also check, we will should no, should not be null. If it will be not null, we will check it. I have already told you, friends, if this one, if it's not null, it's mean not null, it's mean no anyone presented here, so why we will I check it? But if there is a not null, it mean not null, it's mean the presented here something, right? If there it will be no anyone something that like, so no anyone presented, so why will I check it? Our if it will be not condition, it will be true, that's why will not check it. Okay, so that's why I'm writing here. And our condition has true, so I will write here the if node dot data. Okay, so node data is greater than node. Okay, so node dot next dot data, so that one it will be performed, right? So if condition it will be true, so node dot data is equals to node dot next dot data. Node dot next dot next, right? I will be explain this one, friends. You will be understand, right? Because friends, why I'm writing here the node dot next dot next? Because friends, you know the very well, I have already told you. For example, yes, you can see here the I want to the you can see here, if this one is the greater value, this one, that if you will compare this one, so this one is the greater than, right? But here is a 11 already presented, right? So if we will compare this one is the lesser than this one, so we will connect, we will link to this one, right? So how can we? Because this one node has already references of this node, so data next. So here the node, current node, this one, right? This one is the next, and again next, it means this one has a next stored. So I'm, that's why I'm here the writing the next next, it means current node, right? Current node next, right? It means current node next, and this one also the next, right? So this, we are here and here, and here is already information that the next links node, right? So that's why I'm writing here the node dot next, right? If sometime it will be not, if condition it will be not true, so else part we will write the our the node will be next one value, it will be node dot next, right? If there is a, you can see here the, yeah, here at the place same time. So here here is a no anyone thing is comparing, right? So first our node is here, so after then our the node it will be here. How it can be node here? Because already node that next has already information of this node. So I will be do that, like our node I want to transfer here, so node dot next. Because we can write here I am writing here the references, but this one is the next, we are doing in the programming, we are using the next with the help of next, right? So node dot next, right? I'm writing that, like, okay. So that's why I'm performing. And also I have told you, friends, when our the answer will return, where, so after the return we will reverse it again, right? So I have already created the reverse method. So before the creating, before the print, before the returning, we are, where is while is started from here to here, right? So we will return 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 reverse method calling and head, right? When it will be called, and after then it will be return. I'm going to compile it and let's see the result. Where I'm doing mistake 97. Class routers and null dot next. Sorry, here I'm forgetting the comma, and anywhere I mistake. Yes, this one should be the same class we are writing. That's why we need to do one shift. Okay, sorry, friends. Okay, let's get this one is the this one block, this one is the this one, right? This one is your main class, solution class. Where I mistake 90. Yes, node dot next. Sorry, node dot next, because this one is the node dot next. I have already told you this one is a node dot next, node dot next, and here the next. Okay. I'm forgotten here the node. Sorry. Yes, friends, you can see here the I have a missed here the node, and here the I have a little bit missteps, but I have corrected it right now. Okay, so I hope you'll be understand, friends. Thanks for this. Sorry, before this I was submitting. Sorry. Oh, I was stuck in the 10, but now hedge fasting going. Yes. Yes, friends, heads completed. So thanks for this watching video, friends. I hope it will be helpful for you. Video had too long, friends, but our concept should be the clear, friends. Okay. If you have any better solution, so also suggest us. Okay. Thank you.